Hey you guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So obviously we are not doing a traditional video. No makeup tutorials, no beauty videos today. If you guys follow my vlog channel, you guys know that I've been kind of like feeling really wonky lately. And it's weird because I went through the same phase last year, like around this time last year, to where I just feel like confused, like I'm not really motivated. And I don't know what it is. And whenever I kind of go through this period, I feel like parts of me are changing, if that makes sense. Like my interests are changing, you know, my direction is changing. Just really figuring out like what it is I feel like every year I always go through a period where I'm reevaluating like what my interests are, what I really want, you know, what are my goals for the year, things like that. And right now is that period. So along with my changes and kind of like just like my like, you know, jumbled up mind up there, part of my current stage and phase is my style. You guys, I literally it's got to the point to where I look in my closet and I look in my drawers and I literally have nothing to wear. Like y'all, it's got to the point to where I look in my closet, I look in my drawers, I don't like anything I have, I don't like anything that I own. I have such a hard time finding outfits now. Granted, it is a bit of a tricky period because I do have a lot of my winter stuff out, which I'm gonna, you know, go through today. But I do have a lot of my winter stuff out, and all of my like spring and summer stuff is kind of packed away. But even then, like I'm thinking in my head, like I don't even like anything I have that I packed away last season. So anyway, I'm kind of just really, it's just really weird because I honestly don't like anything, and I have like this urge to just like kind of like start over. I'm not gonna like get rid of everything, that's definitely not what I'm gonna do, but I have so much stuff that I no longer need. And it's funny because ever since we moved here, I've been really big on like not being a hoarder. So anything that I don't need, that I won't use, and like I won't even use in the future, if I know that I won't use it, I will just get rid of it. Like there's no point in me keeping it to just have. What I do is typically after every season, this is my tip. After every season, I always go through my clothes. I say every season, but honestly, it's like spring, summer is like one jumble, and then fall, winter is together. So honestly, after spring and summer, I'll go through everything, and then after fall and winter, like right now, I'll go through everything again. And basically, like I'll just do big purges. And I've actually been, I feel like every purge I do just gets bigger and bigger because I'm learning to let go of stuff. You know, like if you don't need it, whether that be clothes, accessories, makeup, whatever, household stuff in my storage. Like my husband and I have been going through our storage more recently, and then we just, not even more recently, but honestly, like whenever we go through it, we just get rid of a bunch of junk that we know we won't use. And I just feel so much like, like after like I get rid of like a bunch of stuff that I know I won't need, I feel so much better. And so today I'm like, you know, it's almost April. April is gonna be here in what, a couple days, and I'm like, I might as well just go ahead and go through all of my stuff and just kind of just start anew, you know, start fresh for the spring and summer, and kind of just like make sure that my current wardrobe selection caters to my personal taste. I actually don't shop often anymore. I actually really never shop, partly because I feel like, first of all, if you guys don't know, I work from home like all day every day, so I don't have to have a wardrobe for work, which is a huge bonus. And so during the week I'm looking like this, honestly, like I'm in sweats, you know. I am trying to force myself this year to get out and get dressed up more. It's really easy to get comfortable being comfortable, and y'all, I love my leggings, I love my sweatpants, I love t-shirts, I love v-necks, I love like casual clothes. But I'm trying to force myself to, you know, just be, you know, put more effort into my wardrobe. Even though I love clothes, it's just a matter of I don't like spending money on clothes that I don't wear. And I found myself for the longest doing that. And that's kind of why I stopped shopping as much, because I found myself spending tons of money on clothes, like going on crazy shopping sprees to buy clothes that I would literally wear for an Instagram picture, or, you know, basically that's what it is, to wear for an Instagram picture or for a blog post, and I would never wear it again. And that's just so wasteful. That's why I have so many clothes in here now that I'm just like, I would never wear again. like I don't need it because I literally bought it for one purpose, but it's like it's not practical or wearable. And that's what I'm kind of trying to switch or transition my wardrobe to be. I don't want to say that I want to become a minimalist, but I'm trying to really minimize my wardrobe. And by minimize it, I want to like literally have my wardrobe like consist of just basics. Of course, like with a few key, you know, statement or standout pieces here and there, like a bold jacket, you know, a sequin top, you know, something with some color. But as I explained, because I don't go out places very often, I want my wardrobe to basically be something I can just easily put together, like a basic crew neck tops, and like just, you know, nice jeans and like, you know, a black blazer and, you know, basic pieces that I can just mix and match a bunch and just have like go-to outfits already basically like, you know, pair everything with everything, if that makes sense. So that's enough of my spiel. I want to give you guys an update on like where I am currently and like why I'm doing this. Of course, it is spring cleaning per se, so you know I would do this regardless, but you guys will see me get rid of a lot of stuff, and that's because I have a lot of stuff that I don't need. And I kind of tell you guys how I do it right now. So basically what I'm doing whenever I go through like all of my clothing, you know, to see what I'm going to keep or get rid of, I use a rule. And my rule is if I've gone through 2 seasons without wearing it, I get rid of it. So basically what that means is like, okay, let's say like I have this top. Here's a prime example. This top I got when I was still in Dallas, probably like 2015, 2016, so about 2-3 years ago. But basically what I do is, okay, if I've gone through 2 falls or 2 winters without wearing it, I get rid of it. So this is a prime example of a top that I have had, okay? It's just a plain button up, but it has like pink and plum stripes, okay? So this is a top here that I've had for, like I said, 2 or 3 years, and I have not worn this top in the past 2 winters, so, or falls and winters. So like this year I did not wear this top, and then last fall and winter, whenever me and Dion moved down to Austin, I didn't wear this top either when it was still appropriate to wear it. So if I've gone 2 full seasons or 2 full cycles without wearing it, I'll get rid of it. So that's basically what I do, and I'll do that for shoes and clothes and dresses, blazers, all kind of stuff. Basically, I wanted this time lapses part. I have a lot of clothes here that I have to go through. I want to just go ahead and kind of time lapse this part and show you guys kind of how I sort through my Keep pile and my charity pile, which I'm pretty sure the charity pile will be like 10 times bigger than the Keep pile. Okay, so I went to my first drawer. I still have more to go, but this is not how I did it. So I have my like to-go pile, and if you look at a common theme, most of the to-go stuff is like patterns, colors. I had this sequin top in here that I got from a thrift store a while ago, which is still really cute, but I will never wear this again, I know. A couple different blouses, this top here that I also had that has like little sequins on stuff on it. I don't know. As far as the Keep pile, as you can see, they're mainly plain pieces, which I'm starting to learn to just gravitate toward plain pieces. Stuff that don't have patterns on them, stuff that don't have really bold prints. Granted, this is winter stuff, so most of this stuff is like, you know, turtlenecks, stuff like that. I have a sweater down there, 2 sweaters on here that are actually plain, like a plain cream one, a plain tan one. So this is the only printed top that I have, and that's because I actually got that one this year, but everything else is pretty plain and simple. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do like this drawer down here full of sweaters, which I can tell you right now, most of this drawer will go away because I don't need it anymore. Honestly, here in Austin it's not that cold, and I don't plan on moving anywhere where it's that cold anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably get rid of this stuff, or you know, go through it of course and see what to keep and what not to keep, but probably get rid of most of it. And then I'll do my shoes, my blouses, and we should be pretty good to go. Okay, y'all, so here is our to keep pile, and that's really it, y'all. And here is the get rid of pile so far. And if you want to see the actual drawers, you guys, this drawer was like jam-packed and this is all that's left in there. And then same thing down here, this whole bottom drawer is full of sweaters and skirts, and I got rid of a bunch of skirts that I don't need anymore, so that's literally all I have left is like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 skirts down there. So we're clearing up the house. Okay, and so after I go through my drawers, I also go through my closet. I won't take you guys in there because it is pretty messy, not gonna lie. It's like, it's a big mess. But I do go through like my jeans and my shoes for sure. I don't really have many pairs of pants left, only because I don't really wear pants that often. But I will find myself kind of hoarding pants that like I know I won't use. So I might just go ahead and go through those and also go through all my shoes, because shoes is also something that I tend to keep. That's probably the one thing that I keep the most of that I need to get rid of is shoes and pants. Y'all, I have not worn these in at least 3 years. These don't fit anymore. I have dresses in here that I've only worn one time. This dress, I haven't worn that in years. Dress here, I haven't worn. I'm not wearing this sweater again. That's to go. Am I the only one who finds it so fascinating to just kind of clear life away? I just love that feeling of feeling like I'm kind of like, you know, woosahing. I have my jewelry right here. I won't like take you guys in here. But I also kind of just like to, you know, occasionally go through my jewelry selection. Just make sure I don't have any extra stuff that I won't or don't need anymore. So like earrings, stuff like that I've purchased that I don't need anymore or don't even like anymore. Okay, so here's the get rid of pile that I just pulled just from the closet. And there's a lot of stuff in there that obviously I will not wear, and there's still clothes over on the other side that I pulled from the drawers. But now it's more so like my shoes that I have. I have a lot, some down there and then some up there as well in those little bins that I clearly need to get rid of, because I can tell you guys like half my shoe collection I don't need or use and probably will never wear again. Okay, y'all. So after all that, I think we're pretty good. I still have to go through and kind of organize the closet and stuff. Like I have shoes in there that I want to keep, but they're still in boxes because I didn't have space. So anyways, I need to go in there and clean stuff out, organize it a little bit. So basically anything you see down here that's not in a bin is going away. Stuff that I have had in here for like 3, 4. I have stuff in here from college, y'all. From college, and that was over 4 years ago that I haven't worn. So all those clothes are going away. All these shoes over here are all going away, so that I haven't even touched this stuff since. But it feels good to kind of have more space, and it feels good to just kind of get rid of stuff that, you know, I don't need anymore. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this spring clean with me. Hopefully this inspires some of you guys to kind of go through all your stuff and just get rid of stuff that you no longer need. I feel like your lifestyle is a reflection of you as a person. So whenever I feel super cluttered, super you know, just all over the place, usually it's because I feel like my space isn't clean or isn't clear, or is, you know, like, or my space is cluttered, you know what I'm saying? So I'm glad that I had a chance to go through this, clear away you know, all this extra stuff, and make some space for some new stuff. Not even really new stuff, but kind of just making some space for stuff that caters to my current taste, if that makes sense. But a lot of stuff, as you can see, like this here, and this here, and these here, and this dress here, it's just not reflective of my style anymore. So maybe I'll do like a wardrobe update, or I don't know, some kind of video where I'm showing you guys like what I've purchased to add to my wardrobe, kind of how I'm transitioning from like a, you know, an eclectic bunch to a more minimalistic and simple aesthetic. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, let me know down below. I think I'm gonna do more like lifestyle videos like this, because I feel like, yeah, beauty is cool, I love makeup, you guys know that, but you know, lifestyle is a huge part of our everyday lives, so I should do it more often, right? Let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.